if you're working with a physician, they may not have the business background to understand their legal jeopardy, or almost vice versa. You may have an entrepreneur who's great at handling certain issues, but they don't have the specific medical expertise to make sure their legal circumstances are safe.
That is true, Wes. And the bottom line is that there are the rules and regulations, the multitude of laws that regulate healthcare, the provision of healthcare goods and services is intricate, and it's massive. So you have to really be aware of there are federal laws that affect it, there are state laws that affect it, there are contracts that affect it. It's a wide spectrum of issues that affect everybody involved, not only the entrepreneur, not only the professional, but also the patient. Patients have rights too, and oftentimes they don't know what their rights are, and they need advocates as well.
You're talking about changes or new areas that are evolving. I imagine something that feels like it would be very new is telehealth. Telehealth has become enormous, right? And
yes, since COVID. COVID brought technology to the forefront of healthcare. And now, instead of having to sit in your doctor's office, telehealth allows somebody who's got an issue to seek evaluation or care from a professional and do it over the internet. Do it actually not on the internet, by phone or by internet, meaning a telehealth. And the difference is that, or the major issue between the two, is that obviously if you're doing it via a telehealth evaluation, the provider can't put his hands on you. The provider or her hands, they can't touch you. Technology has allowed for many other access to many other vitals. I mean, they can see your pulse, they can see your blood pressure, they can see certain things visually, as well as they can get certain readings over the internet, but they don't have the ability to physically put their hands on you, which is why it's very important how the professional documents the interaction, because not only do you have to put the healthcare terms in as far as what was being done for coding purposes, you also really need to be clear and articulate what visually is happening. What are the visual cues that a professional is getting over the monitor or over the phone that they're able to offer the same medical evaluation as well as treatment. They have to be able to justify why they are prescribing a certain treatment or care. And that's where the insurance companies and the government gets a little bit iffy on how is it possible that a professional can make that evaluation without physically being able to put their hands directly on the patient.